Defining quality for early childhood educators. How do we define quality for early childhood educators? First, we must look at the dynamic components. The most important element in this component is the early childhood educator and what he or she believes, knows, and is as a person. Everything you do in your profession has very far-reaching implications for those you interact with. The basic components in this section are respect, responsiveness, and reciprocity. Respect. Respect for children and families. This means respect for individuality. Be knowledgeable, but use observations and communications daily to be able to adapt to changing needs. Have genuine conversations with the children about things that interest them. This also helps to build positive self-esteem. Help children to recognize and acknowledge all types of diversity in positive ways. This also helps children with their own self-identity. Respect your own right and personal obligation to be authentic to the values and principles that are important to you. Remember your personal philosophy when looking at potential employers and professional practices. Responsiveness. This is the ability to read children's verbal and nonverbal signals. React promptly to children's needs and requests. Be sensitive to a child's emotional state and mood, as well as attention to his or her physical needs. Put time and effort into building and sustaining significant relationships. These relationships create a web of caring from ECE to child, from child, from ECE to parent, from ECE to ECE, from parent to parent, and most importantly, from parent to child. Reciprocity. Shared responsibility of learning between child and adult relationships. All participants can learn from each other, both adult and child, through interaction. Opportunities for supportive dialogue and shared reflections, and for joint observation and goal setting between educators. Professional growth needs to be nurtured.